So what we expect is that, yeah, it's right here. Actually, US30 is at resistance right now. And since today is going to be a holiday for US, and tomorrow it's Black Friday for US, so they're going to end the session 3 hours earlier. Yeah, so I think this week is just going to end a bit bullish, like expected. So right here, what he's doing is he rebounded from the resistance turn support area, this part, and then he rebounded for Nasdaq. So like we said, we are going to look at the tech stock right now. So what tech stock we are going to look at is actually we can look at some like actually revenue is not entirely tech stocks, but we can look at maybe Genetech, Great Tech, Inari Front, or maybe FRONTKN. If you wanted to look at FRONTKN and you can't catch FRONTKN, you can maybe look at FRONTKN Warren. So I think today tech might have a little bit of movement right now. So for the US side, I can say it's bullish. Although they go down, yeah, right here, go down for at 12 o'clock, it slammed down, but all the way towards the night session, it goes back up. It's because of the Fed's meeting. So let me update you guys what the Fed's meeting talk about. Okay, so the Fed meetings actually said that the participants, all the Fed's participants agreed that will be a slower pace of rate hikes that would allow the FOMC to better assess progress towards its goals. Meaning that although they said they are not taking anything off the table for the December FOMC, but at some point it would be right for the Fed to slow down the rate hike pace. Meaning that the Fed Reserve officials earlier this month, they have agreed that smaller interest rate increase, meaning that they will increase the interest rate slower, that this thing might happen. So if they evaluate the impact policy is having on the economy. Yeah. That's why the US is quite bullish. So for growth stocks, what I'm looking at is it's not a potential rally, it's a potential rebound. So let's see if there's any rebound here. Yeah. Although the sell down volume is low, but it's getting lower and lower. So we're going to look at where is he supporting, where is he trying to support, where is he trying to rebound for the growth stocks. Okay, so the next one is again BSLCORP. Nothing has actually changed much from my watch list. So BSLCORP, I'm still waiting for it to break out 14 cents. Okay, the next one is DNEX. DNEX is actually slowing down its pace already. Maybe go and test here 57 cents area of support before jumping back up, or he can straight away go strong today because of the Nasdaq. Right now, he's testing and rejecting an SMA 5. So let's see if he can break through this SMA 5. If he can break through this SMA 5, we can see it retesting the EMA 20. The next one is TANCO. The TANCO is actually not, yeah, it's still inside the box. It's still inside the box. Still waiting for it to break out. So actually, many of my watch list is actually the same because there's nothing much moved yesterday. Yeah. Except that the beta and the ECA, the new one. So right now, this one is he's retesting this one. I hope we can retrace to here and rest at SMA 5 first before we pump up the next one. So maybe it's trying to retrace already. Maybe because there's a lot of gap to be covered, and it has gone a little bit too crazy for MASTEEL. But we're still going to look at it because I don't think it's over yet. Not so fast, yeah. Okay, the next one will be revenue. So this revenue, yeah, like I said, I'm actually looking at this area. If he can break out from around 72 to 73 cents, but this revenue, he's actually keep on, keep on passing hands, yeah. Yeah. After he passed hands at 71 cents, he passed at 71.5 cents, and then he's passing at 72 cents. So he's passing hands layer by layer. I'm not sure what he's doing right there, but maybe someone who is trapping at around this area who trying to catch the rebound is trapped and trying to get out. But the buying momentum is slowly coming back up. So we're going to look at this revenue. Actually got a bit of the revenue warrant, which I mentioned in the group. I caught a bit at around 10, 105 and 110. Yeah, a little bit at this area, 105 and 110, because it did not slam back down to the place I wanted to get at around 9.5 cents. So, and since I'm trading, so I'm going in a little bit only. Yeah, it's not a significant amount. So if revenue can rebound today, I might go in for revenue. And you guys might look at today, just look at the tech stocks, maybe FRONTKN, GenTech, Dufu, Inari, all those, or maybe Warren and FRONTKN. So what we are looking at is here. If FRONTKN can break out, if FRONTKN can continue to break out today, it's quite a good place to get in right here. Okay, here is actually he's consolidating right here, and that needs to wait to break out. These candlesticks, it broke out from 25 cents, but immediately slammed down. So it's not a good closing. So like the last support we're looking at is right here. Okay, the first support we're looking at is around 23 cents, 23 to 22.5 cents, this area, which is the box support. If this one break, we are looking at this support, so 20.5 cents. And the potential is quite a lot if you're able to hold it. What I'm looking at, this one, if he broke out from here, if he break out from this area, and this FRONTKN mother share also broke out from this area, this resistance area, so it might have a chance to reach around 3.2 ringgit here, which I'm looking at is here. And this FRONTKN warrant might be around 30 cents, this area. So yeah, the risk to reward is actually quite good from here, around here to here. It's about 1 to 2 risk to reward, but this one you really need to hold it. So you need to find a good entry. If you can get around 23 to 22 cents, then your cut loss would be low at 20 cents. It's around 4 to 5 bits. Then you could potentially gain around 6 cents to 8 cents. So this one is more to a swing because I assume that the Nasdaq would be good, and it's rebounding from the resistance support area. So that's why I'm trying to look at the tech stocks right now. Yeah, because we need to be a step ahead from other persons so that we can get the lower prices. So that's why I'm trying to look at the tech stocks before other people are trying to look at it. You can see that the pullback is actually a low volume right here. The volume is quite low. If the volume came in and if our political is already stable, then it will go up. So actually, yesterday news, it actually favors the Anwar. BN and UMNO actually saying that they will support any government that is not formed by the PN. Hi guys, it's Zach here. If you like my videos and want more contents like this, click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and trade well.